Hello everybody! Today I got 3 joke stories for you. Okay. Go with me to see what is up. The first joke is about open up. There is a sound knock. Knock. Then he asked, "Who's there?" "Candace." "Candace who?" "Candace door open. Or am I stuck out here?" The second joke is about knock knock sass. There is a sound of knock. Knock. He asked who's there. Says who? Says knock, that's who. And the last one is about Downright Magical. There were sound of knock. Knock. He asked, "Who's there?" Reply back, "Voodoo." "Voodoo who? Who do you think you are?"